Here we are now in the battery production plant in the logistics center in Ingolstadt, where the batteries for the Audi Q6 e-tron are currently being made.
26,000 square meters, 70 robots, 90 stations, all spread across 6 line sections. The aim is to produce 1,050 batteries with 300 employees every day across 3 shifts. As you can imagine, that's quite a challenge. This here in Ingolstadt is our first battery production plant. We have lots of new production and system technology here.
Many departments work hand in hand here, so teamwork was of course absolutely critical too.
We've developed a comprehensive qualification concept together with the Audi Academy, so the team is trained and coached to the very highest level. The gap filler is our heat conducting phase. When you drive the Q6 e-tron, the module starts to heat up. This heat has to be dissipated downward, which is the job of the thermal paste. We place the modules onto the thermal paste. This is quite a complicated process.
Here we are at line section 3, the first manual station where what are known as the HV connectors are positioned. And then, when the inside of the battery is ready, the cover is placed on top in what we call the robot ballet. This involves 5 robots that work simultaneously to secure the 82 FTS screws that fix the battery cover to the tank.
The entire part is called the BMC, Battery Management Controller. This is where all the data from the operating system, as well as from all the cells and modules, is collected. Whether temperature or voltage data, this is the brain of our battery, so to speak.
The whole project was really exciting right from the start. As a team, of course, we're incredibly proud and also can't wait to see the finished batteries here.
It's a really cool feeling to know that you've been there right from the start and watched the entire factory grow, watched how the entire battery production facilities came into being.